Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable step counter in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and now you want to enable step counters, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Samsung Health app, just open it. From here, just tap on start. If you're opening this app first time, you must have to make a first time setup. Just select start option from here, and here just select all and then select next. And here just wait for its loading, and here you must have to select continue, then allow for permissions, just select allow for all. Once you must have to select what do you want to focus on. Then I'm going to select overall health, just select that option, then select next, then select start. Once you have that, just have an agree option, then select settings, and here just select allow permission, enable that. Now go back and here select steps option, and here you will easily count your daily steps. If you want to add it to your home screen, just go back, tap on the empty place, select widgets, then scroll down and look for health. Tap on it and here you will easily get steps. Just look for steps option and keep long press on it and you can easily add it to your home screen. So that's how you can easily enable step counter in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.